Reliable detection and accurate assessment of internal corrosion in pipes and vessels is vital for safe operation of installations in the power generation and oil and gas industries. Ultrasonic testing has been used for several decades to perform corrosion mapping, but manual inspection methods sometimes fall short when trying to combine precise measurement, proper surface coverage, and reproducibility over time. Along with oil and gas, power generation operators face the challenge of combining an inspection technique that offers high detection capability and accurate characterization of corrosion damage with a scanning process that ensures complete coverage. Zetec has developed an optimal solution for reliable corrosion mapping on flat and curved surfaces. The solution is based on the TOPAZ16 phased array system and the handheld NDT paintbrush scanner. TOPAZ16 is a fully integrated, portable phased array unit that delivers big value in a small size. It's a 16-128 phased array system with a separated conventional UT channel at 200 volts and is controlled by the powerful and user-friendly Zetec UltraVision Touch software platform. Zetec's NDT paintbrush is an evolution in the field of corrosion mapping and thickness measurement. This scanner tool received the Frost & Sullivan 2016 Innovative Product Award. Zetec's patented two-wheel encoding method ensures accurate tracking of the position and orientation of the NDT paintbrush while scanning on flat or cylindrical surfaces. The strong magnetic wheels allow for smooth movement without slippage on various surfaces, from naked steel to painted or epoxy-coated surfaces. In UT inspections, selecting the right probe for the job is key to an effective and successful examination. NDT paintbrush offers the flexibility to support any type of straight beam probe from various manufacturers. Pitch and catch probes can be used for corrosion mapping on thin steel, as well as pulse echo probes or probes with a water wedge. The steel pipe considered here has a nominal wall thickness of 6.35 millimeters, or 1/4 of an inch. It contains artificial flaws machined to be representative of internal corrosion damage. To ensure an efficient inspection workflow on site, TOPAZ16 allows to prepare and save setup files for various components in advance. During the job, the appropriate setup file can simply be selected from a list. Upon connecting it to the TOPAZ16 unit, the NDT paintbrush will be automatically detected, and its mechanical parameters will be immediately read by the TOPAZ16 software. The scanner is basically ready to go. For accurate thickness measurements on relatively thin components, the use of a dual array probe, also called pitch and catch probe, is strongly recommended. The absence of an interface echo will improve the near surface resolution, and the overlap of transmitter and receiver beams will improve the detection capability on small pitting corrosion. Accurate thickness measurements require a robust calibration process. The TOPAZ16 provides user-friendly calibration routines. All this is easily executed, and the valid calibration status is confirmed on the screen. The typical screen organization for corrosion mapping includes a position or amplitude C-scan view, also called the top view, and the corresponding A-scan and B-scan views. Setting the mechanical reference of the scanning sequence is the only thing left to do before starting the inspection. This can be a real burden with some automated scanners, but the graphical user interface for the NDT paintbrush sequence facilitates this operation, reducing it to simply defining position and orientation of the paintbrush on the specimen. Upon touching the reset button, the C-scan view shows the actual position of the paintbrush wheels, and data recording can start. As soon as NDT paintbrush is moved over the pipe surface, the system accurately tracks the position and orientation of the probe while allowing for a free movement of the probe. The corresponding phased array UT signals are displayed on the TOPAZ16 screen in real time. Data from the successive strokes is accurately positioned on the scanning surface, and the covered area can be easily monitored on the C-scan view. This allows the operator to complete the inspection of the entire surface, and corrosion mapping becomes nearly as simple as painting a surface. NDT Paintbrush delivers the confidence that no area will be missed. Previously recorded data files can be easily retrieved using the intuitive UltraVision Touch interface. There's no need for laborious configuration of the screen display. The inspection layout is saved with the data file. Also, the data analyst can load a previously saved layout from the solid-state drive to make his analysis even more efficient. Both amplitude and position C-scan views are available for evaluating both aspects of the inspection data. Dedicated information fields for corrosion damage assessment display key information about the surface area shown on the screen. The minimum and maximum thickness in the examined region are indicated, as well as the area where the thickness is below the user-defined threshold for the given component. The operator can also use the cursors to measure the remaining wall thickness in specific locations. As the cursors are moved in the C-scan view, the corresponding A-scan and B-scan data are automatically visualized and can be used for more detailed characterization of specific indications. On flat surfaces or large cylinders, the typical region that will be covered in a single scanning sequence is roughly 2.5 feet by 2.5 feet. Many times, the region of interest is larger than that. Therefore, it may be necessary to merge data together to give the data analyst a global view on the status of the component and for final reporting. The C-scan stitching feature in UltraVision Touch helps the operator accomplish this through an efficient and simple user interface. After merging the data files, C-scans are stitched together with the ability to compensate for typical small misalignments and misorientations between datasets. The global C-scan image is then saved and ready to be used for further investigation. When the operator has finished his evaluation of the inspection data, the onboard reporting feature of the TOPAZ16 allows him to build, preview, and save various report types with only a few touches of the screen. The TOPAZ16 report includes all key information of the equipment used during the inspection for traceability purposes. The essential parameters of the inspection are listed in detail and will allow third-party inspectors to verify that the examination procedure was rigorously applied. Each indication reported in the indication table is displayed on the specimen and detailed numerical information is provided. The comprehensive report generated on the TOPAZ16 is the final deliverable of this efficient and successful inspection. Some asset owners in power generation and oil and gas industries have ongoing corrosion monitoring programs with historical data. The data export tool in UltraVision Touch software allows the paintbrush data to be integrated in the existing databases and ensure continuity. The corrosion data can also be visualized and evaluated in the 3D environment of UltraVision Classic Advanced without any file conversion. The 3D rendering feature will transform the 2D color map into a realistic image of the corrosion damage pictured in the CAD drawing of the specimen. This type of imaging makes the result easier to communicate to non-NDE personnel.
With the new TOPAZ16 unit and the NDT paintbrush scanner, Zetec offers an integrated solution for corrosion mapping and thickness measurement on steel components. The solution is compatible with various phase array probe types for the best possible UT capability. It can be easily deployed without the cumbersome installation of an automated scanning mechanism. Still, it provides a complete map of the scan surface and therefore the confidence that the entire area of interest was covered. No uncertainty left behind. The onboard analysis and reporting features allow for increased productivity. No laborious and time-consuming file transfer or file conversions are necessary. More information about TOPAZ16 and NDT Paintbrush is available on our website at zetec.com. If you have specific questions or if you want to find out how the Zetec solution can help you make your inspections more reliable and cost-effective, please contact us at info@zetec.com.